And maybe they shouldn't have chained themselves to a trailer or whatever that garbage is.
Get out! On the ground! All of you on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Don't move!
You do have a weapon. It's called the desert. You have a whole backlog of traffic that you're blocking, and you're in the middle of the desert. So there are two options for people in their vehicles. One, they can turn off their vehicles to save gas, which means they'll bake because, again, they're in the middle of the desert. Or two, they can run their vehicle, and risk running out of gas. Imagine running out of the gas in the middle of the desert. Yeah, that'd be bad. Apparently they're going to this Burning Man thing, so is there a gas station in between there? Don't know. Now, curious question, how did these quote-unquote environmental protesters, cultists, get to where they're at? Were they flown in? Did they drive in? Is that RV just down the road theirs? Don't know. But they had to get there somehow. Well, anyway, I first saw this on Salty Cracker, of course, and I immediately thought of that song, and I thought I could make a quick video out of it, and I did. So, take care out there in Clown World.